Do you want to know how to enable camera access on Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, first of all, go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Then you'll see this prompt on your screen because your Snapchat does not have access to your camera. Just go ahead and tap on open settings and it will automatically take you to this settings section where you're gonna have to browse through the options given on the screen. Look for the camera option, which is right below microphone. Just go ahead and turn on the button right beside it. Now go back to Snapchat. Then you'll see you've successfully enabled camera access for your Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.